guys, it's your Cheryl. So today I want to share with you my morning routine that helps me to kickstart the day with a good positive mind. Sometimes I like to leave my white curtain half covered so that the morning sun will not hit right into my face, or sometimes I just like to leave it all open to have the full morning sun rays hit into our room. First thing I wake up is always giving kisses to my babe because he's always working so hard in the late night while I'm sleeping. He is the hardest working person I've ever seen in my life, and I'm so proud of what he's doing. I always have a cup of water beside my bed so that I could drink the second I wake up. It's really important to hydrate yourself in the morning when you just wake up. Time to freshen up myself, brushing my teeth, washing my face. Brushing my hairs and taking care of my lips so that I feel really refreshed in the morning. It won't be a good morning without a good coffee. I'm the kind of person who needs morning coffee to get myself fully awake. I enjoy making coffee in the morning for myself. It's just such a relaxed thing to do. Each and every little routine is so crucial for me to get my mind ready for the day. Now the coffee is done, I like to sit on the balcony to feel the morning breeze and soak the sun in. I like to start off by just clearing my mind and think nothing but just soaking in the morning quiet moment. And I start thinking about what I want to prepare for breakfast, what I want to do for the day so that I get to come closer and closer to my dream each and every day. Time for my morning workouts. I've been doing booty and abs workout from Pamela Reeve. I like her workout because it's really intense and I feel stronger every time I manage to finish it without a break. Ever since the lockdown, I've started picking up the habits of building a morning workout routine for myself. Self-disclaimer, I had never worked out before until the lockdown made me. Chloe Ting is actually the first YouTube fitness trainer I chanced upon. Those 2 weeks or 30 days challenges really intrigued me to give it a shot, and ever since then, I never stopped working out. Workout, I sometimes will go down to the pool for a quick swim with my babe, but he's still sleeping that day, so I decided to just go straight for a good shower. In the morning, I like to take my time to have a great shower. With that being said, I like to make my bathroom environment as cozy as possible, like turning on some good jazz music makes my shower routine so relaxed and positive. I love this Coco and Eve hair treatment that my best friend Felicia got for me. It smells so freaking good and it makes my hair feel so smooth and amazing throughout the whole day. It's definitely one of my favorite hair products that I use religiously to keep my hair smooth and shine. After a good relaxing shower, I will start with my morning skincare routine, starting off with my spring thermal water from Avon to give it a refreshing touch of my face, and going on with a whole series of my moisturizing toner and serum to keep my face really hydrated. Lastly, I like to go over with my rose facial roller to massage my face in the morning to reduce the face puffiness and helps with better absorptions of serums. Now it's time for breakfast. You bet, my favorite part. I love eating so much that sometimes my boyfriend is so surprised by how much I can eat. Me and my boyfriend, we like to do different kind of breakfasts depending on our mood and what our craving are. If you've been following my Instagram, you know we both put effort in making a good yummy breakfast. If not, go check out my Instagram right now. I'll link it down below for you. So today I had craving for a good porridge bowl with fruits. My toppings are pretty much always the same: grapefruits, banana, grapes, blackberries, and pumpkin seeds granola, because these are like my favorite combo. Sometimes I do add coconut yogurt or peanut butter just to give an extra flavor. Overall, it's just super yummy and healthy, and it does make me feel full. I would love watching some YouTube videos or Modern Family while having our breakfast together before we continue the rest of our day working. So yeah, that's my morning routine, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to my video. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!